Laksha Dicha. Today we will learn about natural disaster. First, natural disasters are events that are caused by natural activities. In the nature, they have not human involvement. It is caused by weather conditions such as heavy rainfall, scarcity of water, etc. etc. Now, our first natural disaster is earthquake. Earthquake is a tremor that occurs due to the sudden movement below the earth's surface. It is a tremor. Okay, I write it here. Next, I have written here. Sometimes the earthquake is so powerful that you can feel. If you are sitting on the chair, your chair moves, and if you are sleeping on the bed, your bed moves, and you see. So here is and sometimes it is mild that you cannot feel the earthquake. You sit there only, and if you are sleeping, you cannot feel that earthquake. Okay. Now the earthquake. The next is. Here you can see here the globe. Here I will see. Okay. The earthquake comes down from the layers. Sometime below the earth there are some layers that you do fight. They fight each other, so it became the cause of earthquake. And sometime when if it is like that, so we cannot be even felt. And sometimes it comes when they will fight, some layer comes upside of it, so there will become an earthquake. Now I will tell. Here is one plate, here is another plate. They comes together and comes here, so there cannot be earthquake and we cannot felt it. When sometimes the earthquake goes like that, so the earth will up and we can felt, and it's called many destruction. But sometimes when it is very very strong, it comes like that and comes like that. When it is some mild, then it can only that. Now next, एपिसेंटर तो बता दूं. Epicenter. I will telling about my brother. Okay. Epicenter. It is a point at which the earthquake occurs. The intensity of the earthquake is highest at the epicenter. If you are here, you are sitting here, and here is the epicenter below the earth. That when it will originated, it caused more destruction in that areas, in its areas, and goes like that. And the outer layer that you can see here is mild and we cannot feel, and the intensity is more highest at this place. Now you will understand about it. Next is the a device to measure the earthquake is a seismograph. You can see here. I will draw the picture. Sorry. Okay. Here are the wheels. I will make for that it can seismograph to scan it goes. Now this seismograph, it records the vibration through a graph. Here is the graph. It records the vibration that comes. It record here the vibration. If we write here Junjunu, if we will write here, the righted thing will be right here. Sorry, you will write here Junjunu. Then if you press one more button is given here, if you will press that button, the graph will be open and you have the intensity of the earthquake that comes. This this device is known as seismograph. Now you will understand the major earthquake that comes in India. Major and it was comes on 26 January 2001, and it is more powerful, and it comes near Bhuj, which is located in the Gujarat. Now I will tell you about next. It's safety measures. These safety measures. Now on 26 January we made Republic Day. On 26 January we celebrate Republic Day. You all know about Republic Day. We will celebrate on 26 January, and then the earthquake will be comes in the thought of Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, now it's safety measures. Safety measures: move away from the buildings and breakable things, for example door, windows, glass, etc, etc. Now I will do in practical. You can see here. Okay, now if you are doing the wheelchair, I will tell you about practical. Okay, you can see practical. Okay, all of you, if you are sitting on the chair when the earthquake comes, the first step, you will go under the table. Okay, you can hear my voice. Under the table, and put your head like that. Okay, all of you, listen my voice. Next step. If you are on wheelchair, give me that pillow. If you are wheelchair and the pillow is near you, you take that pillow and cover your head like that. Why you thought? Why we again and again cover our only our head, because the head is the main part. If it destroyed, so there our whole body cannot work. If our leg will destructed, now you can also can walk, and the brain will be, so you cannot do anything, you will be mental. Okay, now you'll know, whenever if you are driving your car, if the earthquake comes, stop the car. Okay, if you are eating food, there is only one thing, and there, if you are eating the food, there is take any not breakable plate that cannot be break with any things and cannot be breaked. Take any not breakable plate and put it on your head. If you have more plate, you can cover your the spinal cord. You can also cover your spinal cord and your brain. Okay, now you will learn about this. In this episode, you have learned about the earthquake. Bye bye, all of you. Meet in next episode and learn about volcanic eruption. Okay, meet in next video. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye, all of you, and share it to your friends to take the knowledge, and subscribe and bell icon my video to see more.